Welcome back to the floor of the CMZ Group here in Chicago, Thursday, October 18th. I'm Killer, and you know the Wolfman. What's going on, Wolfman?
Not a whole lot. A lot of stuff going on in here today. It's pretty fun day.
It is. It is. We got a big buzz in the pits today, folks. A lot of moving parts. You know, yesterday you came out and talked about the knob. For folks who don't understand, that's a treasury term here in the pits. It's selling notes, buying bonds. And honestly, it's probably one of the bullish for prices. Right. It also means that actually rates are going to fall out of the sky. So you see that type of movement here. We anticipate this game of ping pong from the 10-year from 160 to 185. It may be going back under 160, correct?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I mean, you could easily see that. Some people were saying that it could be, you know, trying to get a counter trend on this because, you know, we've seen such a fall down in the bonds that they're actually trying to put this back on. I mean, you know, today we've got another auction going on, so maybe they were trying to get in front of that. I don't know. I
mean, and we did see a bounce, folks. You know, whenever you see these big trades come in the pits, you know, 146.10 was the overnight low. They bounced it up here on some of the data when they were testing the lows in the S&P earlier, up to like 147.07. So a lot of things going on. We had a rumor today. Wolfman gave me the inside scoop on that. There's a Iraq rumor. What's going on there?
Yeah, I didn't really catch exactly what it was. Zero Hedge with Rand Swak kind of blurted it out today. And, you know, they sometimes when they talk real fast, you can't get it. I just blurted it out into the room to everybody.
We saw crude oil move about $1 off that because, you know, crude oil came off about $1.50 almost there in the front month. But now we're seeing it kind of come back up here.
It really spiked back. So, I mean, people in the office got in on that. I didn't tweet it out because I didn't know exactly what it was, and I didn't want to put any false rumors out there.
Sure.
So I just kind of gave everybody in the office a heads up.
Well, interesting in the oil market, which has been lock in step, obviously, with the equity market. We're seeing the S&P, you know, here in the mini contract, you know, it's up at this 1458 level, looking to take out another level of stops. So everyone who is bearish or bullish, you have to trade what they give. We've seen a tremendous bounce in Sunday night, 1416, Wolf, man, it's sensational.
Oh, it's been a great run up. And, you know, we've been talking about this on the CMZ. This 1455, 1460 area is really where the bears are really hunkered down, trying to fight this rally.
With the VIX where it is, yeah, exactly.
Exactly. We get above this 1460 area, I think we're really going to see a spike up. I mean, that's going to be where the shorts are get on the run and try and start making some moves.
All right, folks, you should have wrote that down right there. But take us into the bean trade quickly.
Oh, man, I'm a counter contrarian right now in this bean trade. I said I didn't really like it, but I've been telling Killer, you know, the trend is your friend, and I as much as I don't like the trade, I've got to get on board with this bean rally. I mean, every time you see a pullback in this beans, you know these guys are going to come in lockstep. It's moved out 40 cents. Beans have literally rallied, outpacing corn by 40 cents in the last 3 or 4 days since I've been talking about this trade.
Well, folks, from Wolfman's lips to God's ears, a lot to talk about. Be careful. There's a lot of nimble movements here. We're seeing a lot of data, a smattering of data, according to Coffee Grinds, out of China. Seeing some EU, continued sensitivity in the market. But one other thing from the floor of the CME Group you need to remember is to be the hammer, not the nail.
Take that.